Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Guys, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Guys, really it helps me a lot and motivate me to make a better video in the future. Guys, today I'm also going to discuss a standard size of rooms in a residential building and their locations. Guys, we can give the dimension for the residential building, but the location for the every rooms are very much important. As we are a civil engineer, we are the architect prepare the drawing, design, civil engineer implement or execute it on the site, but the location of every rooms, for example bedrooms, hall, kitchen, washrooms, bathrooms, these are much important in which direction it should be, maybe in the north side, east side, west side, or northern east. This is make sense in design. Guys, size of drawing or living room. Drawing room or living room is a common, comfortable and attractive place for sitting of family members and to receive friends and guests. Sometimes it is used as a reception room and dining room and special occasions. Guys, drawing rooms should be located in the middle of the building and should be connected to the front veranda and dining place. It should be well lighted and ventilated. Guys, you see, as per this description, it should be located at the middle of building. It should be at the middle of the building. For example, we said this is our drawing room or the living room. You see, this is a dining hall and these are sofas, couch. These are windows and some sitting benches. Guys, generally drawing or living room is biggest room of the building, so that it can be utilized for some ceremonial function in the house. Size of the drawing room should be determined by the type of furniture to be used. A standard size of drawing room for a residential building is ranges from 4,200 millimeter by 4,800 millimeter to 5,400 millimeter to 7,200 millimeter. These are given in the dimension in millimeter. If we convert it to the meters, it becomes 4.2 meters by 4.8 meters. This is minimum range and this is a maximum 5.4 meter, 7.2 meters. If it is 120 feet, this is 14 feet and this is 16 feet, this is 18 feet, this is 24 feet. Guys, size of bedroom. What is the size of bedroom? Bedroom should be located at that they are well ventilated and same time provide privacy. Generally, they should be located on the side of the building. The location for the building is on the side of the building, so that at least one wall is exposed for a good ventilation and lighting. Guys, one wall at least one walls should be exposed to ventilation and lighting, exposed for a good ventilation and lighting. This for some provision for the bedroom. The bedroom should be located on the side of direction of the prevailing wind. This is also important. Located on the side of the direction of prevailing wind. The location should be such that the bedroom receives sunlight. Bedroom receives sunlight during the morning hours. The minimum window area should be 1/10 of the floor area. Window area should be 1/10 of the floor area in the bedroom. 9.5 cubic meter per adult, 5.4 cubic meters per children space should be available, and usable allowance should be made for the furniture. Guys, this is bedroom. You see guys, this is ventilators, some windows, small windows, and this is the large windows we have for lightening and for sunlight. This is the door. This is arrangement for bedroom, guys. If good water supply and drainage system is available, a bedroom should have attached bathroom and water closet, guys. Standard size of bedroom ranges from 3000 millimeter to 3600 millimeter, and maximum is 4200 to 4800 millimeter. Guys, if you convert to the meter, this is 3 meter, this is 3.6 meters. If you convert this to meter, this is 4.2 meters, 4.8 meters. If you want in feet, this is 10 feet, this is 12 feet, and this is 14 feet, this is 16 feet. Guys, what is the size of guest room? What should be the size of guest room? Guest room should be well lighted and ventilated. Well lighted and ventilated. It should be located on one side of the building. Location should be in one side of the building. Generally by the side of the drawing room. By side of the drawing room. Guys, you see this here. This is guest room or guest house location shown here in this figure. Guys, coming guest should be disconnected from inside of house and should have separated bathroom and water closet. This is important guys terms. A standard size of guest room should be 3000 millimeter to 3600 millimeter. The size of standard size of the guest room. If you want in meter, this is 3 meter, this is 3.6 meter. If you want in feet, 10 feet, it is 12 feet. Size of veranda. The best location for the veranda is in south and west. Guys, these are most important criteria for the location of the buildings, rooms, and building elements. The best location for veranda is south and west side. It means West side means sunset side. If the frontage of the building is east, then they are located in east also. If the frontage of the building is in east side, then they are located on east. The veranda also serves the purpose of a waiting room. It segregates the private apartment from the entrance area. Guys, the purpose of veranda. The veranda should shade the wall of this building during the greater part of the day. The veranda should shade the walls of the building during a greater part of the day. For this, it is necessary it must not have opening of the height greater than 2/3 of the floor area. Each house should have one front and a rear veranda. If space does not permit, the rear veranda can be omitted. Veranda have the range size of 1800 millimeters to 3000 millimeters. Veranda opening should always have a shajja projection for the protection from sunlight and rainwaters. Guys, these are very basic and fundamentals of the buildings. We should consider, we should keep in our mind during the design and implementation of the design on site. Size of office room. What should be the size for the office room? Office room should be on the side of front veranda. Side of front veranda. Disconnected from the room. Sometimes an office room serves as a purpose of guest room, and vice versa. The standard size of the room may be 3000 millimeter to 3.6 meters. Size of dining area. What should be the size of dining area? Guys, generally dining area should provide the rear of the drawing or living room and near to the kitchen. In modern houses, drawing room and dining room are combined to have a big room for a special occasion. For families, dining room is kept separate. Guys, this shows the location of dining room. You see here large windows. It should be front of kitchen or combined sometimes. Size of bedroom may also ranges from 3600 millimeter to 200 millimeter to 4200 millimeter to 4800 millimeter. Size of the kitchen. What should be the size of kitchen? Guys, the kitchen should be provided in the rear corner of the building, but northeast corner is the best. Guys, for kitchen, the northeast corner is the best. It should be connected with the dining area, dining room, and should have a approach from the outside. This is important, guys. If possible, the kitchen should be also located that sunlight should come in the morning hours when it is used most. Sunlight also should enter to the kitchen during the morning. It should have a window for good ventilation and chimney for smoke escape. The window space should be minimum of 15% of floor area for the kitchen, guys. Sink should be provided for washing, and sufficient number of shelves should be provided. Sometimes a storeroom and kitchen are combined together if less space is available. Standard size of kitchen room maybe ranges from 2500 to 3900 millimeter, and maximum size is 3000 millimeter to 3.6 meters. A store room, guys, what is the storeroom size? A storeroom should be located near the kitchen. A storeroom should be located near the kitchen and should be sufficient number of racks in the storeroom. The standard size of a storeroom maybe ranges from 2.5 meter to 2.5 meter or 3 meters into 3 meter. Pantry is a small room adjacent to the dining room for keeping cooked food. It should have a sufficient number of cupboards and shelves for ordinary building. Kitchen serve the purpose of pantry. Size of pantry may ranges from 2.5 meter to 3 meters. Size of bathroom or WC. Nowadays it has become common practice to provide attached bathroom and water closet with each bedroom. This is preferable only when good drainage and water supply is available. It is not attached to the bedroom, but a WC should be provided in the rear of the building separately so that the two can be used at time. Good ventilation should be provided for the bath and WC. There should be 2 windows in the bathroom, one for ventilation at the height of 2 meters above outside ground level, and another at the usual low level with the frosted glass shutters for admitting light and maintaining the privacy. Sometimes ceiling height is kept low at 2.1 meter, and upper space is used for storage purpose. Common sizes of the bathroom and water closet may be bathroom and WC combined is 1.8 meter, 1.8 meter to 1.8 meter and 2.5 meters. Bathroom separate is 1.2 meter, 1.8 meter. WC separate is 1.2 by 1.2. Guys, this was detailed, comprehensive introduction to the room sizes and their location in the residential building. Guys, I hope you like this video and found this helpful. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. Bye bye.